Hi everyone, welcome to PRAGYA 2025. One of the questions that I always ask my team and we always reflect on before we embark on a journey of developing a new platform is why are we doing it? Why do we care about this problem so deeply? Why should we really build something world-class? At ideaForge, one of our core values is to always look at creating disproportionate impact while building and leveraging our uncrewed aerial technology and solutions. And when you look at identifying large challenges, it is clear to us that we need to look at population and terrain scale challenges. We need to look at challenges that impact entire population or the entire geography of a country or a region. Issues such as climate change, natural disasters, man-animal conflicts, economic disparity, gaps in governance, safety, and security are some of the key challenges that we constantly work on. However, these challenges don't always show up in locations that are convenient for technology. They end up being and pushing us to operate in tough border areas, difficult terrains, and inclement weather conditions. And for us at ideaForge, we thrive on building technology that makes terrain, altitude, and weather conditions and those considerations fade largely in the background when it comes to the ability to do operations anywhere. The solutions to address these global problems can't be served from just one type of data. They would require a variety of data types, and that data type will have to be collected in these varied geographical and other environments. And each of these data types is relevant for a specific use case, or maybe several of them are relevant for a particular use case. However, one thing is certain, that to meet these challenges, we will need high performance platforms that can operate in high altitudes, difficult terrains, extreme temperatures, and also solve for seamless and automated delivery of outcomes on the large amounts of data that is getting collected. At ideaForge, we firmly believe in our value of doing things that help us, our ecosystem, and the community to stay the distance, to help all the vectors evolve to be more resilient. As we build solutions that can enable our environment and society to stay the distance, we draw a lot of inspiration and learnings from our legacy of being there when we were needed the most for solving for tough societal issues. And just to share some examples, in disaster response, from as early as the Uttarakhand floods in 2013, to the Nepal earthquake, to the floods in Kerala and Andhra Pradesh, our UAVs became eyes in the sky, mapping cut-off regions, guiding evacuations, and directing relief to where it mattered the most. Even in Hurricane Milton in Florida and other post-disaster missions, the lessons were the same. When seconds matter, trustworthy aerial data available with more time in the air saves lives. For conservation and livelihoods, early warning patrols to reduce human-wildlife conflict, helping catch man-eating big cats, forest, coastal, and fisheries monitoring to protect resources and communities that depend on them. Learning the importance of having sight even in the night. In economic development initiatives, As a backbone of the Indian SVAMITVA scheme, our drones are helping map the 660,000 villages in India, giving families clear land records and unlocking credit, discovering the immense value in high-resolution, uncrewed aerial mapping. To help governance at scale, from COVID-19 response for monitoring lockdowns and even delivering essentials, to drone as a service programs that help in traffic management, urban planning, encroachment monitoring, and cleanliness management, we are enabling smarter administration, helping unlock city monitoring and governance use cases at scale. To empower safety and security, extending the reach of border patrols in rugged terrains, to women's safety initiatives in vulnerable areas, and rapid aerial support even in the US that's helped police locate and catch suspects, unlocking the need for persistence and the need for more and more time on target. And thus, as we sought the next set of challenges we could help unlock, we decided to take on the high altitude, thin air, and bitter cold to map glaciers, to document 12,000-year-old petroglyphs at millimeter level detail, to map cities in unprecedented 3D detail. The outcome was the same. Unforgiving places become just another day at office. We are now ready to help you take on those impossible missions at scale and to hand over the power to you. Please watch.
Introducing the Q6 V2 GEO, the mapping multitasker built for extremes. One powerful platform ready for every mission. Map where others can't. Stay in the air longer. Map larger regions faster. Complete projects in fewer flights without compromise. Cover vast areas in a single mission with survey-grade accuracy. One drone, many payloads. Photogrammetry, oblique imaging, hyperspectral, colorized LiDAR. Choose your tool. Switch your mission, not your drone. Even in extreme heat and tough terrain, Q6 V2 GEO keeps flying. Smart batteries and thermal management make it mission ready anytime. From mines to cities, farms to rivers, forests to glaciers, and infrastructure, the Q6 V2 GEO adapts to your mission. With Blue Fire Touch, plan autonomous flights, fly multiple drones at once, and manage missions in real time. Stay connected even in challenging environments. Mapping remote and mountainous regions is now easier with airborne data relay. It extends range, even without line of sight. Store, view, and analyze all your mission data in Flight Cloud, your secure digital twin command center for all your mapping and video data. Q6 V2 GEO, map where others can't.
Mapping multitasker, built for extremes. Meet the dependable teammate who shows up in heat, wind, and thin air and simply gets the job done at scale. Delivers survey-grade outputs with PPK accuracy. Multi-payload by design. LiDAR, high-resolution oblique, EOIR, hyperspectral, and more. Flight envelope built for both low and slow detail for those dense point clouds and tight valleys, or to fly high and fast for scale, for large area coverage. Packed with smart autonomy, terrain following, multi-polygon plans, obstacle awareness, mission continuity through even brief line of sight hiccups. It is enabled with precision landing in tight spaces, unlocking the ability to operate from anywhere. Negative altitude capability in the hills, crucial for mapping large areas with less effort. Airborne data relay to extend into shadowed or obstructed zones. Areas where you do not have line of sight, airborne data relay can still allow you to map at the same unprecedented detail. Bottom line, Q6 V2 GEO solves for versatile data capture in the harshest environments and unlocks impossible missions for you. But capturing data is only half of the battle. Outcomes require seamless and automated processing at speed and at scale. Please watch.
Flight Cloud by ideaForge, revolutionizing data management. Flight Cloud simplifies your workflow, planning, data capture, processing, and analysis, all in one powerful platform. Seamlessly collaborate with teams, share insights effortlessly, and speed up decision-making, even with a distributed workforce. With advanced security measures, your sensitive data stays protected, always. Handle massive data sets with speed and precision, enabling faster insights and smarter decisions.
Flight Video, your mission's eye in the sky, reimagined. A powerful new capability within Flight Cloud. It brings your persistent monitoring footage exactly where it belongs, at your fingertips. Upload all your mission footage instantly. View drone video side by side with its flight path. No extra software or licenses required. Need to report an incident or analyze an event? With advanced incident tagging, you can mark key moments, add field notes, and export only what matters. Fast, secure, and audit-ready. Flight Video is more than just playback. It's your intelligence backbone, centralized, secure, seamless.
Flight Cloud 2.0, one secure home for all your drone data. It ingests RGB, LiDAR, and video from any UAV. Push button workflows for orthos, meshes, stockpiles, cut fill, encroachment, change detection, and more. Geotagged videos become searchable, and tagged incidents create hotspots, share securely across teams. APIs to plug into your analytics, enterprise-grade security, and deployment options flexibly. Flight Cloud's promise is to capture, upload, and just sip coffee. Then decisions are all you need to take, because it takes care of all of those 10 tools, 5 handoffs, and just helps you focus on pure outcomes. However, sometimes you can't wait for the full workflow and the time it takes. You need answers as you fly. Please watch. SHODHAM M61, the Edge AI don't reflight this payload. 61 MP full frame sensor, interchangeable lenses, patented swivel plus nadir capture modes for versatile imaging, real-time AI quality checks for blur, glare, streaks, low light, so you fix issues before wasting a sortie. Live video with metadata, secure by design and with PPK support. It's a payload built for harsh environments because your work sites don't come with air conditioning. Think of it as a camera that thinks, not just shoots. At ideaForge, our mission isn't just drones, it's resilience, equipping humanity to face climate disaster better, fill the governance gaps and security threats with confidence. That's why we build technology that is useful, usable, and available. We have an expression at ideaForge, built like a bird, tested like a tank. Today's launches of Q6 V2 GEO, Flight Cloud 2.0, and SHODHAM M61 are our next step towards that vision. Thank you. Let's advance what's possible and stay the distance together.